High Court asked National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited to submit estimated cost on Imphal-Jiribam Road project. Senior advocate Khaidam Mani questions Manipur government's claim of improvement of Imphal-Jiribam Road. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar visits site for Ayush Hospital and Regional Homeopathy Medical College in Wakha. Professor Ahanthem Santa takes charge as officiating director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The High Court of Manipur yesterday directed the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation (NHIDCL) to submit to the court the documents showing the estimated cost for the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road, a project which they have submitted to the centre as soon as possible. A bench of the High Court consisting of Acting Chief Justice N. Koteshwar and Justice K.H. Nobin issued the order yesterday during the hearing of a PIL filed in connection with the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam and National Highway 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road project. The bench also directed the corporation to produce the contract agreement entered between the NHIDCL and the three contractors for execution of the work. The court agreed to give some time to file the documents after the counsel for the respondents requested for 2 weeks' time. It may be recalled that the judges constituting the bench, along with a team of Advocate General, senior advocates and advocates of the court, inspected the condition of Imphal-Jiribam Road on the 12th of this month. Senior advocate Khaidam Mani today questioned the state government's claim of improvement of National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road. He said the road is in such a deplorable state that even animals will not want to pass this road. Speaking to media persons at his chamber at Cherab Court this afternoon, in connection with the inspection carried out on the 12th of this month by a team led by the Acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur, the senior advocate lambasted that the road has not witnessed any change since the time Manipur was not part of India. He maintains that the road is full of potholes. He questioned how the road is given the status of a national highway. Khaidam Mani even mocked at the condition of the road, saying it can be included in Guinness Book of World Record. He appeals to the state government to urge the government of India to repair the road immediately.
National Highway 37 has become an anti-national highway. Anti-national जो करके है रही लंबी से अदम तौरो अदुना तना national way ओहनगे national highway ओहनगे हाइबा अदुगा मणिपुर का इंडिया की मफम अमगा फाउना नबा mainland इंडिया का फाउना नबा अनिसुबा मसुम मरुइबा alternative लंबी ओरिबा national highway 37 इम्फाल जिरी लंबी से खुदकता भारत सरकार ना अकन ममियंग चंगदबनी अदुगा लोइनेना मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट ना सु मागे लोफम तो मागे तक्सनमम थोकबदो खरा फरनी कान हाइबदो तोकपिरो.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar today visited the site for Ayush Hospital and Regional Homeopathy Medical College under Ayush at Wakha in Khetrigao constituency in Imphal East District. He was accompanied by Khetrigao MLA Nahakpam Indrajit, former Minister Dr. M. Nara, Director of Ayush A. Guneshwar, and officials of Settlement and Land Records. Minister Jayantakumar instructed the officials to confirm whether 320 acres of land will be available for the construction of Ayush Hospital and Regional Homeopathy Medical College at the site. The officials informed the minister that the site is suitable for the construction of hospital and college since Manipur University of Cultural is also coming up in the same location. They maintains that construction work can be started as soon as the government allots the site for the purpose. Education Minister Thoktom Radhesham found the upper primary school at Kha Potsangbam in Bishnupur district in a deplorable condition during a visit to the school today. On his return journey after attending a program at Churachandpur, the minister made a surprise visit to the school. Out of the 7 classrooms in the school, only 1 was found to be in a functional state, and it was for class 1 to 12. The school has 32 students altogether and only 1 teacher. The teacher told the minister that the class has a differently abled student as well. The school has no headmaster. The minister informed the assistant inspector to convene a meeting for the school management committee and zonal education officials. Professor Ahanthem Santa today took charge as the officiating director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS. He is the professor of Gynecology and Obstetrics Department of Northeast Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, NIGRIMS, Shillong. He is also the principal of the Medical College, NIGRIMS. Professor Ahanthem Santa will be the officiating director of RIMS until a regular director is appointed. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at his office at RIMS Administrative Block today, Professor Santa said his first step will be to make RIMS one of the best medical institutes under the central government. He said efforts will also be made to open super specialist departments like neurosurgery, neurology, cardiology, etc. He also assured that various tests will be done free of cost in the institute. Professor Santa said equipments and medicines for cancer patients will also be made available free of cost. He said alumni doctors of RIMS working outside the state will be invited to assist in the development of the institute.
I just want to develop RIMS at par with the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So we better to open some super specialty branches like cardiology, cardiothoracic, all these branches we want to open it. So we can start the DM courses, we can start with MCS courses. At the same time, we should take care of all the cancer patients, and at the same time, we should provide all the basic necessities to all the poor patients free of cost, right? Another thing is that here is a lot of salary problem, all those things I want to solve it.
The 5th General Panchayat election will be held on October 7th. State Election Commissioner Manipur T.H. Kamini Kumar declared it at a press conference at Imphal West DC Complex today. He said the public notification for the election will be issued tomorrow. The last date for filing of nominations by candidates is August 25th and the scrutiny will be held on August 26th. The last date for withdrawal of nomination is August 29. Counting will be held on October 11. Altogether, 7,16,830 voters will exercise their franchise at 1,521 polling stations in Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kakching, Bishnupur and Jiribam district. Altogether, 60 Zila Parishad, 161 Pradhan and 1,513 ward members will be elected in this Panchayat election.
Hadaki elections te koina hanagi sathariba ballot paper season narga election si tawjani lakatu election si damta zakaro security ki damta koina police department da police ki site ki nodal officer ma happy na ko hajakre ki general assembly election da de ko expenditure limits prescribed to adubu je ko ki election si da de masi ko prescribed to gadra habgi yam kanna discussion ma sathajari.
The inquiry committee probing the supply of substandard belts to Manipur Police Department submitted its final reports to Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren today. The 4-member committee consisting of Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhail Akhtar, Additional Chief Secretary Home Dr. J. Suresh Babu, Special Secretary R. Sudhan and IGP Admin Dr. S. Ibocha handed over the reports to the Chief Minister. It may be recalled that after the Chief Minister received complaints against the supply of substandard belts to police department on social networking sites, the government decided to probe into the matter on June 7. Biren had visited the central store located on 1st Manipur Rifles campus and district store located in Imphal West SP's office complex. Former Speaker and President BJP Manipur Pradesh Dr. Haubam Borobabu has been nominated member of General Body of National Foundation for Communal Harmony and autonomous body under the Ministry of Home Affairs. The ministry issued the order on the 2nd of this month. Lamding High School, Wangjing in Thoubal district has been upgraded to higher secondary level today. A function was held at the school auditorium to celebrate the upgradation. The function observed a minute silence as a mark of respect to the deceased teachers of the school. People still continue to donate to Chief Minister's Relief Fund for the flood-affected people in Manipur. Muslim academicians Manipur donated Rs 55,000 to the CMRF. Chief Minister N. Biren has appreciated all those who have provided help. Media houses and all Manipur Newspaper Publishers Association will hold a meeting on Manipur Advertisement Policy 2013 at 11 a.m. in the office chamber of Director IPR at Moirangkhom. Preservation and Protection Committee Manipur expressed their gratitude to those who made the 70th Manipur Independence Day celebration on 14th August a success. Bureau of MLA TH Lokeshwar Kasham Dilip clarified the news carried by local dailies that he had interfered in the appointment of a teacher at Haikak Mapal Aided Lower Primary School. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Dilip said he had neither interfered in the appointment of a teacher nor threatened any family. He termed Ibungcha's allegation as baseless. Dilip also demanded proof and said it was an attempt to tarnish the image of the MLA. It may be recalled that Peace and Development Coordinating Committee Kundrakpam yesterday alleged that Yambem Ibongcha has been threatened by the village authority after he approached the court to protect his rights.
Maram Sadana, we may current the Hajalaga, Kulana, Miamda, Wanava, Ponabaki Tavasi, Matung Dadi, Tahun Janinde, Masiki Mahuta, Toiva problems in a do Pazan Paminaraga, Apapawakalo, Putok Minaraga, Sasan Pinaraga, Hen Fagata Mount Tatuin Tauraga, Tamu Fabi.
An orientation meeting cum interaction program on National Annual Status Report on Safe and Secure School Environment in India was held at the Conference Hall of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan State Mission Authority at Babupara today. Project Director of SSA State Mission Authority, many ZEO and SSA teachers attended the event. Commission member of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, New Delhi, Priyanka Kanungo gave a PowerPoint presentation on National Annual Status Report on Safe and Secure School Environment in India 2016. Priyanka Kanungo said a school environment needs to be safe and secure to make environment convenient for the students. She also spoke on initiatives by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, New Delhi, to maintain a safe school environment. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Meitei Council Moray MCM in collaboration with Asian Hospital, Moray Police Station, TH Birachandra Singh Football Academy and various other organizations organized a free medical camp today. Around 170 people from Moray town and other interior areas and people from Myanmar attended the camp held at the office of Meitei Council Moray. Free medicines were also provided at the camp. Free screening tests for hepatitis B and C, blood sugar and ultrasound facility were also provided at the camp. Spokesperson of Birachandra Singh Football Academy, Sarungbam Rajan, said the camp was organized to solve the problems faced by people of Moray and other interior areas. He also said such medical camps will be organized in future in remote areas.
Moray Bazardagi Haidokiba Zagada, Kazikang Laitokiba, Laying Naba, Amadi Hidak Lane Naba, Makoida, Awabagi Masakweba, Saktam Karakak Ururaga, ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯐꯍꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯡꯀꯣꯛ ꯀꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯅꯤना ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯇꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯇꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯆꯥꯡꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤ.
One-day training on prevention of vector-borne diseases was held for ASHA workers in Moreh. The training was organized by National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program Moreh, Technopol District under the Vector-Borne Diseases Control Program and Manipur Malaria Elimination Campaign 2017-2020 at the Conference Hall of Moreh Hospital. Specialists at the training program taught the ASHA workers on how to identify, prevent and treat diseases like malaria, dengue and Japanese encephalitis. Malaria testing kits were also distributed to ASHA workers who attended the training program. People called for a band in Moreh town against extortion and monetary demands from shops at Moreh. Two unidentified persons extorted money at gunpoint from RN Medicos. After receiving information that monetary demands were also made from other shops, Chamber of Commerce Moreh and shop owners held a meeting today at the office of Chamber of Commerce. Shop owners and pharmacy owners resolved to call up for a band. They also threatened to continue the band if the authorities concerned do not take appropriate actions to nab and punish the miscreants. A peace rally was taken out today in protest against the objection by Lengangching village to bury the body of Rita Haure in the village since she is a Catholic. Rita Haure from Lengangching village in Kamjong district died 8 days ago due to an illness. However, Baptist denomination followers in the village denied Rita's burial in the village as she followed Catholic denomination. The rally, which began from Don Bosco School, Chingmairong, and passed through Thangmaiban, Kuyatong, North AOC, and finally concluded at Chingmairong, Don Bosco School. Priest of Sacred Heart Parish, Hungpung, Father T.S. Dominic said it is unfortunate that Rita Haure is denied burial based on her religion in a secular country like India. He condemns the one village, one denomination law of Lengangching village. A memorandum containing the JSC's demands was also submitted to the Chief Minister.
The rally is a protest against the denial of rightful burial to late Mrs. Haure Rita and to protest against the illegal, undemocratic and inhuman law, one village, one denomination that is being practiced at Lengangching and some other villages.
Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited donated to Corpus Fund Paumi Welfare Foundation, a foundation established for the welfare of the journalists of the state. Malangmai Clannish Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland held a social service at Haipao Zadonang Malangmai Park, Champat in connection with the 86th death anniversary of freedom fighter Haipao Zadonang. It may be recalled that Haipao Zadonang, who fought for the freedom of Manipur, was hanged by the British on August 29, 1931. President of the union, Dinbung Malangmai, said Zadonang appeals to people to take part in the observance.
Colonial rule da Manipur ki freedom, India ki freedom ki damakta ahong ba korang na ba hona ba matamda British na lautuna duna mabu hakki bani mana tauki ba thabak mayam se ningsingaga akoi yamna nungsiba poe akoi clans ki sagai gi oina su yamna nungsiba poe aduna masi social service se magi nungsiba utpa oina magi park se akoi na sinduk sabani.
Welfare Organization of Langol Ningthauleka expressed their gratitude to Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar for repairing the road between Langol Lairembi and Langol Lai Manai, which remained neglected for a long time. Imphal Municipal Employees Union has called off their cease work strike till 31st of this month. All Manipur Muslim United Clubs organization Amuko has submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister today that contains various demands of the Manipuri Muslims. Panganba Lai Committee and Livelihood Integrated Farmers Club Pukhao planted 3 saplings in Nongpok Ningthau, Panganba Pukhao Hilok as a step towards protecting the environment today. They planted around 2,000 saplings. A journal called Beyond the Horizon was released at Manipur Press Club today. Dr. Malem Ningthauja and Nilima Khangembam are the editor and the publisher of the journal. Dr. Malem Ningthauja said the journal was published with the objective of creating an awareness of the democratic movement and social issues in the Northeast India and the world. He said the journal mainly focuses on the issues which the mainstream media in India do not highlight. General Secretary of International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA, Athoba Kuraijam, social activist Jugendro Akwaijam, and singer cum social activist Aku Chingambam, and many social activists attended the event. Now news from the world of sports. Nongtongbam Indrashni, the Manipuri shooter who represented the Indian police at the ongoing World Police and Fire Games 2017 at Los Angeles, USA, has won 2 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze. The games were held from August 6 to 16. Indrashini bagged gold in big bore standard rifles, 300-yard unisex individual match in the 50-meter point, 22 small bore rifle prawn, unisex individual silver in the 50-meter small bore free rifles 3 position, unisex individual, bronze in 50-meter point 22 small bore rifle prawn, and bronze in the 50-meter point 22 small bore free rifles 3 position unisex team. Star Club top Moirang Khampu beat SWC Khongman 2-1 in the 12th league match of Moirang Them Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League tournament at ABA Playground, Ketrigao this morning. Star Club top Moirang Khampu's KH Birjit and TH Anil netted 1 goal each in the 23rd and 74th minute of the match. SWC Khongman's O Rohit scored the lone goal through a penalty kick in the 82nd minute. 8 teams are participating in the First Division Football League tournament organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. 2 matches will be played tomorrow afternoon. IWKK Uchekon Kankut and Singjamai Kankut were drawn 11-11 draw in the second Sri Sri Gopal Dev League Knockout Kang tournament for 55 to 60 years. The 2 teams met in the 10th league match of the tournament played today at Sri Sri Gopal Dev Yai School Kangshang. 6 teams are participating in the tournament, which began on the 7th of this month. The tournament is organized by Sri Sri Gopal Dev Kankut. Singjamai Kankut will meet Gopal Dev Kankut Team A Yai School in the 11th league match of the tournament on Saturday. School of Bodybuilders and Fitness provided monetary assistance to bodybuilder Laitantem Dinesh and Yengkokpam Jupitra, who are taking part in the 51st Asian Bodybuilding Championship at Seoul, South Korea. They were handed over the assistance at a function held at the School of Bodybuilders and Fitness Kwakaitel, Taunojam Lekai. Laitantem Dinesh and Yengkokpam Jupitra will take part in under 70 kg category in the championship. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. High Court asked National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation to submit estimated cost on Imphal-Jiribam Road project. Senior advocate Khaidamani questions Manipur government's claim of improvement of Imphal-Jiribam Road. Health Minister L. Jayanta visits site for Ayush Hospital and Regional Homeopathy Medical College in Wakha. Professor Ahantem Santa takes charge as officiating director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. And the 5th General Panchayat election will be held on October 7th in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Kakching, Bishnupur and Jiribam districts.